My name is Jelena Ostrovska, and today I'd like to share with you my 8 must-have plugins that have helped me with my blog, and I think they will help you as well. So let's go into details. The first plugin that I'm using for my blog is called What Would Set Go and Do? So this is how it looks like on my blog. It actually, when someone clicks on your blog post, it appears at the top of your text, and it's like a small capture that allows your visitors to click. Mine is going to a website, to an opt-in form, and that way I can capture a lead, okay? The second plugin that I use is called Better Click to Tweet, and this is how it looks like. You can actually embed a quote, better a relevant quote on your blog post. So I have created one, how to choose the right network marketing company, and I have embedded a quote: the richest people in the world look for and build networks. Everyone else looks for work. Robert Kiyosaki. So when someone sees that quote, it's easier for them to retweet, to share that on their Twitter account, and when they click on that, it actually redirects them to their Twitter account, and here you can see the quote and the website, my blog. They can click tweet, and that's it. This is how you can drive traffic to your blog. Another plugin that I use for my blog is called GrowMap Anti-Spam Bot plugin, and what it actually does when someone goes to your WordPress comments and is trying to leave a comment to you, they have to, right now because I'm logged in, I don't see that. So when someone tries to leave a comment for you, they should prove that they are not spams, that they are human, and only that way they can leave a comment for you. Okay, that's another plugin that I use for my blog, and especially it's useful if you are having a lot of websites that you want to share, for example on Twitter, and you don't want to use services such as Bitly or TinyURL or any other websites that can shorten your links. You can just download a plugin called PrettyLink. And what it actually does, you can type in any URL that you have, and let's take a look how it works. So you can type in any URL that you want. For the sake of this video, I'm going to use my Facebook account just to show you how it works. And then just change that text so it looks the way you want. So this is the target URL. The URL that you want to mask, and PrettyLink, that's a URL this is how it's going to look like, okay? Then click on create, and it's done. So when you copy this link and paste in your search bar, it goes straight to Facebook. So that's a great way for you to mask links and not to look spammy with services like Bitly. Another plugin that you need for your blog is share buttons. So you want people to share your content, and one of the best plugins that I found is called Shareaholic, and this is how it looks like. When you scroll down, it floats on top, and it always follows your links, and you can share blogs straight from here. Or you can go, thanks for sharing. When you open up a blog post, you can actually scroll down, and here's where they show up. It says sharing is caring, and they are visible, especially when someone finishes up reading your content. And here's how App Manager looks like. You can also change the configurations. You can customize everything where you want to show your related and promoted content as well. Below content, below posts, below pages, anything you want, and where you want to share buttons to appear. I usually do that below content, but you can also do that above content, so it's visible for everyone who's just starting to read your blog post. What I actually like about this plugin is how it looks like and its design, so that's why I chose particularly this one. So another great plugin that I use for my blog, it's actually a widget that you can use. It's called Social Media Widget, and this is how it looks like. These are like small buttons that people can click and they're redirected to your social media accounts, how they connect with you. In case you're looking for a way to connect with your blog visitors and you don't know what chat tool to use, I have found a great way to connect with your blog readers. It's called Zopim. This is how it looks like if you do use this plugin. It looks like a Facebook chat, and when someone messages you, you will instantly receive an email. And you'll be notified that you got a message through Zopim. So that's a really great way to connect with your readers. And last but not least, great plugin if you're looking for a way to create pop-ups on your website. It's called Sumomi. It has several features. It has several designs, and it allows you to create your custom pop-up. Okay, with your email, it allows you to change the design. This is how it can look like. Free training, cheat sheet, just use whatever you want. And when someone goes to your website and spend about 10 seconds or 15 seconds on your website, these pop-ups show up. So that's a really great way to build your list faster, because when people see, some of them will close, some of them will not. So that's pretty much it. These are the exact 8 plugins that I use on my WordPress blog, basically on a daily basis. And I hope you get value out of it. And if you have any questions, just feel free to comment below or reach out to me on Facebook. I'll be happy to help you. And don't forget to download your free PDF below this video with 8 plugins that I just shared with you. Thank you. See you on the next video.